Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to get your ElevenLabs API key. So first, log into your ElevenLabs account and here click on Developers. Then switch to API keys from here and you will see this black button saying Create Key. Click on it. A new menu will slide in. As you see, give your API key a name, for example, something, your project name or something else. And here you can either restrict key, which means you can control which endpoints you want to open or give access through your API key, or you can go with unrestricted, meaning you are giving all accesses to anyone with this API key. But be aware that unrestricted API keys present a significantly higher threat vector if leaked. So for your better security, go check this box. Give access to only the endpoints that you need to give through your API key. For example, allow anyone with my API key will only be allowed to have access to text to speech. Same thing for speech to speech, speech to text, sound effects, audio isolation, music generation, dubbing, 11 agents, projects, audio native, voices, voice generation, forced alignment, ads engine, and so on. As you see, there is a very long list of controls that you can stop or give access to. You can also restrict by IP address. For example, you want to only allow access to this API key for a specific IP address. And make sure to check this box next to auto disable if leaked. Now click on let's give an access to those endpoints. Click on create key. And as you see, this is your IP key. This is your, make sure to copy it before closing this dialog as it won't be displayed again. Click on copy to clipboard, close this, and this is your new API key. And this is how to create or how to get your ElevenLabs API key. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.